Ghana this year. Yeda obo ade ase say ode anymere so a chain. Ne say bi krom Ghana de dodo na adasa abre. Other was somewhere no so de afi na enche na yesi ekwakoda. Nti this is my last message. Still na no ye pese Ghana etimu ye. Ye pese Ghana etimu tumpon se ebrochire. Yeni se enye dakoro adwuma, but a journey of 1,000 miles, it begins with a step. Until you be shashy, not so when we are, will be bar, will be barbetrasso. Until ye penny for no, ye beck so any more cassa, it will boo any dear council. Say, Monya Ghana ye, and will make it sure. Said deliberately and intentionally, no, Bobema Ghana, I work it, I will be ye can't, as a Muslim, ya. We will keep on seeking for the alternatives and options to you, the politicians. Until you know, we hear my message caption and say MPP and NDC. Omona omoye the only case of our motherland. Nipa or the MPP and NDC partisan politics are intimum for development, intimum for Mpuntu, intimum for Moto, intimum for Sumbi, any year your Ghana for Nipa or the MPP. Any NDC partisan politics, a war Ghana Biano, or a 5-star general, who deserve the highest award on the land because any pan wa Ghana pa why ya bro. A sally panintin 64 years into our independence, 64 years no which mutua, 32 well benyano, and then a years MPP NDC daily de Ghana, but you development back on in Puntu Abo and said Johnson Abako. Until still now we are still researching, we are still finding out how to replace this MPP and NDC politicians here, Omoye stomach politicians, Omoye greedy bastards politicians, Omoye literate politicians in books, but not literate politicians on the ground who can transform the problems of Ghana into opportunity and thus rally Ghanaians together to build a healthy nation for all of us to enjoy and to benefit. Intine madesreke sie me de man na no ahemfo no say mu na moye only alternative to MPP ni NDC. Ani die mu na no ahemfo mu na moye the only alternative, mu na moye the only option to MPP ni NDC or more political dominance no na nanom ahemfo na nanom ahema mu na obetima replace MPP ni NDC. Hwe obi biala o ye Ghana ni bia nim se Ghana ye constitution no eyare. The Ghanaian constitution is sick. The Ghanaian constitution na ye use krono tokuru demu a nkofobia almost say some na ye politicians or multi places in power omutimu wie sika na sa constitution kono etimu eputete sa nkofo etimu safeguard sa nkofo no from punishment no sa constitution no eyare. Constitution is sick. Constitution is crippled. I say etimu review sa constitution way. But the simple question is as I see a review constitution and herefore and the yo master there say omobe lead in the steps to review the constitution no the politicians no you can politicians in one some you can MPP any NDC one some mind you omo so na system we what a benefit you. Yeah, I mean Papa Benz I say have you seen the hospital Sadio Mane has built for the village in Senegal? It quoted him I don't know whether you're trying to mean it cost him 500,000 pounds. This same building could cost millions of dollars in Ghana. You're right, Sina bro, you're right. Papa Benz, you're right, you're perfectly right. Oba no share video ram the same thing America no so into your problem no your constitution no your problem has to do with the constitution. Into the constitution needs to be reviewed because mind you answer this constitution is coming into effect and I say it's coming into enforcement. Na omo to me edi to me e wo Ghana e nananom ahemfo. Na nananom ahemfo e nananom ahema na na ewu to me wo Ghana. Na omo na ye the true and original custodians of the Ghanaian land. And the true democracy no. This governance system aba ama to me and nananom ahemfo nyina wo no afi omo nsa kwakodi politicians in nsem. Nti nsase na nkasa original owner and the real custodians na ye nananom no. Omu ntimo exercise omo authority. Omu ntimo exercise omo power because no matter what they do, they are still accountable to the politicians. No matter what they do, they are still beneath the politicians. Nti this is the problem with our land Ghana. I'm telling you. You tonight ye kasa online or you tonight ye kasa on Facebook Live no. You tonight ye kasa across the globe no. Me say until we unite and rally behind an alternative to replace MPP and the NDC, no, our message is not going anywhere. Because the MPP and the NDC are the only problem of Ghana. MPP and the NDC and the only case here ain't mama my Ghana ain't muntumpon. Inti nananum mesramo. Mwankasa monsole waka because said the American. Munimu say muna moye the true owners of the Ghanaian land. Ghana sas nananum munim say muna yemodia. Munimu say tumi ankasa ye di develop on mine. And shemo nananum nsem but she politicians nsem. And our politicians here show say no ye citizens no ye the betim bi ase betim hold mo accountable but say no mo nyo mo adwen say on be yen hyehye pa ye dia hoto be de Ghana fo nti nananom won say sebe di nti youth no ye de ebufu hye ne ba mo so no say yenim ye wogidie say yen aye nwade hye no ye na ye no endu badwam nananom mo kasa mo no du badwam mo kasa mo ne ko akiri mo kasa ban ne biti mo ode na so beba fo no mo atena ase na mo ahye ase say mo ye hyehye pa be gwa Ghana fo. Isa say de ye Kenya na ban bit ma twu so say ontie banananom say mo kabo na say mo ye baako na mo de a common communicate e ba bonten aban entimo disregard mo communicate no ti nananom mesere mo the National House of Chief no mo form mo ye no mo ma eso mlan fa so National House of Chief na mo form mo ye no mo ma eso mlan fa so nananom say mo se mo nyina mo ku mo aka bu mo ye baako a mu yusu sa mu kuro na mo mfa nkan sem ba ko penchira ban sa ban yen nananom ye na asase no aye fe ne Ghana no yen na ye ndia ye nananom kanso no ene konje Ghana asase we see go mu politicians yi mu ye nkofo a mo benefit from the struggle any blood ye nananom ene ye forbearance no mo share ya ama Ghana asase we timanya fa hodie no mu politicians no mo na mo benefit muna political power in economic powers no ehyemunsem muna mo hwe the state resources no so ejapade obo ade dia ma o man Ghana sisi yitimu yusu di tumpo nyina no mo politicians no muna mo hwe so na ye ka kire mo say o man nkoyi nti mo develop o man no Ghana fo ade hye dodo na ka so man nkoyi nti mo develop o man na se mo na mo se mo nya dia na se mo politicians mo se mo nya ena ye na nanom ye the true originals, true owners of the land, no. Ye the custodians of the land, no. Ye GSAS. Me say, would I just imagine? Say a better sorry. No National House of Chief. The communicate about one thing say na do government no enye na dwen so be face country na nananom mo de one communicate about one thing say sabana nye na dwen so be use your resources na dia face Ghana ama Ghana fo nyina nya hoto a mo nananom asase na ye mo dia no mo je munkuro me se nananom se mutimo ba bonte be ka asase buya me se aban no oni option bia than to come down so ne mo nananom betena ase no bi sa mo ne eba mu hia mo be pese ono aban ne betima ye be mama de hye yetima nya hoto nti nananom youth no osuma Yesu no mo na mo ye the only solution mo na mo ye the only solution minim pa se kasa ye kasa nyina politicians ne ntie me minim pa minim se the youth no ye ka no di obi a ofen ho freedom fighter bi ye ka no minim pa se politicians ne ntie minim pa I don't need to be told minim so mo ntie but nananom the ye kan se betima du politicians na so mbe soro wakasa omo ye ho aduma nananom mo nko na betima aboai nti ani die mu a me yakwada ami nyansa ami nti won kire mo de monye de but ani die mu a me humbly plea and me little suggestion me de ba say nananom mun use National House of Chief no na ayenfunu nyina monye baako na mun kan kire aban ne say so one jai so mu use your resources no mun ko ade benefit o mo a so one jai so mu use your national resources no na omo de benefit some set of people a so man just mu use your national resources no unjudiciously mu nananom ansa ase ye mo dia no mo je made nananom me se mu nyina mo ye baako na se mu tin de sa communicate we e ba abontene na there is no dissenting view with respect to mo communicate about the buy na aban no only option there than to come down and start developing the country. That is the only solution that we have. Because Abani say, you go to Cassia Yetu, no. Most of them are on the lands of the Ashanti region. Most of them are on the lands in the western region. It is a western region, I am for sorry. Ashanti region, I am for sorry. Bunu region, I am for sorry. Central region, I am for sorry. All the kings and queens in Ghana are part of the National House of Chiefs and Queens, you know. Omuna sorry. Naso moye baako. Naso mumu ncheche. Omo ma politicians na kwa momu divide omo nyina ye baako naso mo sorry. Naso mo ka asem baako. Omo de one communique ba abonten say aban ahemfo ayehwe Ghana nsase so no. De ye ka kire mu ni say Ghana for ho kire omo. Ghana man intimu ntompon. Intimu making sure say in the next 10 years ahead of us, you know, Monfa economic development plan mla. Sa economic development plan no matter the party in power no bar or pill, he will be forced to go by it. Namunni politicians in Montanase. Namuni Moncosa upon we. Some Muni Mocosa Panas or man shall say so more the man anonymous may say. Young Ghanaians say ye chita by Mamon anonymous. Someone Jim says a few politicians in himself. Because anonymous meaning you say MPP in the NDC into the propaganda. Meaning pa. And most Ghanaians has come to the conclusion say no politician can develop Ghana. Politician be able to develop Ghana. Say ye man panyini Kwame Nkrumah we twam ano ye selfless ya. Ye politicians who mudi Kwame Nkrumah chi nyina ye selfish people. Ye politicians who mudi Kwame Nkrumah chi nyina ye bastards, greedy bastards. Ye politicians who mudi Kwame Nkrumah chi nyina ye corrupt. Ye politicians who mudi Kwame Nkrumah chi nyina ye akromfo. Ye politicians who mudi Kwame Nkrumah chi nyina ye hypocrites. Your politicians who would deep Kwame Nkrumah chingina anti-development of Ghana. Nti nananom osuma Yesu ene ntiatiamu ayeye no. Yesu efre ojefo. Ojefo a obetima boaye etima yi MPP ni NDC afi waye nananom. Nananom esrem. Ghana tumi na yemodia. Se politicians ne say omo makwan ema ye nye review of the constitution na ebu omo ema mutimo kworo to omo ho na. So politicians no say omo makwan ema ye review constitution say na be muntimo nkoso nya akonya ntimo nwia state resources na nananom mumma politicians ntimo ntia say tumi na nkasa ewo ya fa say o man no ehwemo na nananom nsem ti say mo sole waka na mo ye madwen say mo nyina mo betima unite na say mo de one community ababonten a me say Ghana for ye beta mochi Ghana for ye beta mochi e say minim pa say most of criticism na ye dem amona nanom no say ke kwa ban ho but the entire ya check criticism no mienu ye de bi ma ban ye de bi ma nanom say nanom enka mo na mo ne ye mba be ya adwene a nka de ye ka no wetima aka say ye nka ya no ntum na nka mo monfa ye kasa boa na nka mo nka nche politicians no na nka politicians na sha say mo isi form abe ye nhye ye pe be boa Ghana for but ye kasa no in one way or the other it's like nanom politicians are yeah criticize almost omo akromfo omo anti-Ghana development no in one way or the other it's like nananom money politicians we share bed together I say money politicians we edidi bom eni na youth no ye tam ye bufu share na na edidi sana ba nananom so no ti nananom mesrem me see youth no say ye ni abie ye ni da ho ye nyimpe fe say politician bie no betima develop Ghana ye betima akoso atiemu a change of government beba MPP beko NDC ba the same thing on babe. NDC so beba obeko MPP person ba the same thing anti Ghana mine obeko so asofa. Nti ye only option alternative na nanom. Ti ani die mu na asante hene. Ani die mu na doma hene. Ani die mu na tachima hene. Ani die mu na oche hene. Ani die mu na ya na. Ani die mu na togo afede. Mun unite na mun jinsa asin few politicians in SM. Mun unite na mun Ghana sase no every politicians in them. Se mun ntima anya de we ya Ghana entumpon da because me say MPP ni NDC mun ntima develop Ghana MPP tena nche akomode na onya akwanya bae no odidi ordinance me ru ni edidi one the party members ene edidi one the party executive ene de omon same ru edidi at the expense of motherland Ghana at the expense of the ordinary and poor Ghanaians. On the party financiers, on the party sponsors, on the party fundraisers in the ADD at the expense of the ordinary and poor Ghanaian. And this is also the opposition. Or the opposition, no. Or one call for more sponsor, no. Or one call for this KPA or more campaigns. So bo ade ya adona so mo so timo capture power. Omo ba omo interest nyina eye nkofo omo bi omo sika support omo mo timo capture power. Omo ba omo interest nyina your party members no. Omo ba omo interest nyina ye so be serve omo ankasa omo ho ansa na bi ka omo ba dwen oman ene asase a e friend Ghana no. Nti nananom so obi timo tena radio so. Obi timo tena television station so. Obi timo tena internet so. Obi timo tena Facebook live so kase MPP na NDC ebi timo develop Ghana oboa. Omo ntimo develop Ghana. Enye yeda MPP ni NDC omo ntimo develop Ghana da. Because your political system na your party na your corrupt. Your constitution ankasa regulate your life no e corrupt. Constitution no e favor politicians no. Constitutions no award so much power e dey ma politicians no. Nti omo ba omo ye dey omo pe. Di omo pe bia omo ye bia so yentimu hodu omo accountable because constitution na ma ho kwan sa. Nti nananom emle aso se Ghana constitution yetimo review constitution no. Emle aso se yetimo se Ghana constitution no. Se na be ya sa akro no tokro na adamu a obi a oye ordinary citizen a otimo ko wia a tuber of yam. Otimo wia a tuber of cassava. Yetimo jail in 10 years. But politicians bet me millions of dollars. Yenya ne fe no. Sa constitution dey say yetimo review constitution no. And I said the American no. Politician ni mu say you review constitution na chance say be ye eduma Ghana ni bia pepepa. Omo politicians omo be kire omo. Enti omo anka se nko mutimu die ni mu ni yetimo sesa constitution no. Omo ndie ni mu ye nye changes da. Nti nananom it's like entokwa ye kon on social media no. Kasa ye kasa on social media no ye ntiatia mu no the only solution e ye nananom. Obi bia lo ye badwenma. Obi bia lo dwenko akiri bia na dwemu do. We follow Ghana politics from 1992. We follow Ghana politics for the past 32 years. MPP ni NDC edi enemy. Ebe kan se su bia say MPP ni NDC entimu develop Ghana. MPP any NDC omo entimu develop Ghana. Because obi aba answer no be na say all serve the selfish interest ye no. Answer no be na say all serve the party financiers e no. Answer no be na say all serve the sponsors e no. Answer no be na say all serve the party ma e no. Answer no be na say all serve the party interest e no. Na sika aka e de develop man e friend Ghana no. And the ordinary Ghanaians no sika na san. Na achire no o masan de nyina edin ene ye japade akoye collateral. E de akojeje bosia kese a e be take generations no betematwa. Ti Ghana ni bi oye ba dwemma. Na dwemu do on the sober reflection no timu tenase. E monitor the akoso Ghana for the past 32 years. Na ohwe ba bia ba bedura. Sa nipa no so se obeka no kore ama ne ho. Na so obeka no kore ama ye motherland a friend Ghana. Sa nipa ni mu say MPP ni NDC ntimo develop Ghana da. Sa nipa no onimu say MPP any NDC ntimo develop Ghana da. Abogafo a yenya akwanya yeti control. Ghana for de share a yeti nkofo man so. Ye nyina ye nimu say Ghana pa be ya this yenya a viable alternative to MPP any NDC. Me say odio pa asema make kan techrema empro asema make any video ya me yi e betima da internet na so for 100 years to come. Me say yenya a viable alternative to MPP and NDC a Ghana ain't muntu mponda. Say me say ya dwen eye yen say yensusu ye eye yen say MPP kwa NDC ba obesha ase develop Ghana what da na wo so da ebone na da na wo so no eye mirage ain't mu na ye reality da. Nti me say Ghana for muma ye unite na ye nka ye mo ya hemfu ni jase mo nsoro waka no mo ngi Ghana free politicians ni say me say nananom ye nwadehye ye loyalty no ye towards mo nananom first and say ye politicians na ho ti nananom say National House of Chief no ye bunu Regional House of Chief no Central Regional House of Chief no Western Regional House of Chief no Volta Regional House of Chief no Ghana nyina ye kam bu mu National House of Chief na ye Association of Kings and Queens no me say mun kamom na mun fa communicate ba ko mra bonten say saban no amma kwan am ya review constitution no say na be ya constitution betima ye adwuma Ghana fo nyina mu ankasa mo ye nanano no mo je mo sase me say mo ye ba ko na say mutin the one communicate e ba bonten without any dissension na ma politicians no kwan am man divide mo a politicians no munni kwan bia ni tokuru bi obetima dwana romo dan say o mbeti de mo ka no no more making sure say you bit my review constitution no more making sure say Ghana resources no you be making sure say you the better adwuma Ghana for you to my benefit e maybe obi predate say the oil in larger scale in Nigeria no Nigeria na the largest producer of oil in the whole of Africa obi predate say the oil na ba ye curse ama Nigeria for no the oil na nke sese nke the prosperity ba no rather no e promote poverty no the same way na oil na you discover or secondary no takrade no you discover or western region no western north no the same curse na oil na de bebre nipa no na sa predictions no o ma sa prophecies no na ya dwen say nipa no boa elle ye di prophecy no and prediction no ho adanse say abam because say oil you discover no e di amfaso na di abre Ghana oil na you discover no wo ye Ghana ni a wo hwe me no e di amfaso no wonya free so oil na you discover no even western region ankasa you two oil no ho no e di amfaso no wonya oil na you discover no benefit politicians MPP ni NDC na benefit you at the expense of Ghana. MPP ni NDC na benefit you at the expense of the poor and average Ghanaian. Timi say Ghana betime tumpon a the only way out no say SSN na nanom etimo sorry no metimo present omo as a viable alternative for Ghana for nyina blantia no ye better omo chi no wetima the Ghana every politician in them. It say power corrupt. Absolute power corrupt absolutely. There is no way some politicians obey concede power. There is no way some politicians obey delegate power. There is no way some politicians now enjoy the embellishment of power no obey my principle and infinite sanko sakwa. Nti nananom most sorona se mu unite ya Ghana for you be united behind you. Now my culture politicians enough is enough. Enough of this insult. Enough of this discrimination. Enough of this inferiority complex. Enough of this mediocrity kind of lifestyle I would never Ghana for. Munye Ghana ya nananom. Ghana ye dia na ye gi ensase. He says nananom timu sorry. Na so mo the one communicate. Eba bonten reflected the whole National House of Chief as a whole and I say in its entirety. Me say politicians no omunya tokuro. Ende kwan bia enduane mfam. Nti nananom eni die mu amesrem. Mona moye ye only alternative. Your only option are your Ghana no nananom. Can you imagine? Say you can the National House of Chief comprising with kings like Nana Otumfo. Our da Santifo nyina no. Nana Doma Hene. Our da Adrianafo nyina no. Nana Oche Hene. Our da Ochefo nyina no. Yana our da most of the northerners no ano. Togwe afede. Our Jinoma voter original House of Chief. Ye won nananom panyimfo ni ndifo. Omo ye educated. Omo ye wise. Omo ye knowledgeable than these so-called politicians. Ti se nananom sorry wo mutu me mu. Ene omo ni mo nyam na so mo be kasa say enough is enough. Ye ntiase say ye nananom Ghana fo entiata sese mayen. Ye nananom ye gold na ye resources na ye won ye tu a greater part of the gold na natural resource greater part of the gold na diamond no e ma ye nse na politicians nsem. Nti ye hu die nti a Ghana mlante na ma ya no mutimu ja politicians na wo ho na mo ba form so bedidi na no matem. Nti sense mo di ye na nananom atem nti ya soro waka say ye ka kire politicians ne say efi na ekọ ye gold wa ye atu ano efi na ekọ ye diamond ye atu ano efi na ekọ ye bauxite ye aluminium ye manganese ye oil na ye atu ano say ansha se be benefit Ghanaians ya shansha se be boa Ghana timatu mpon a yen nananom as our resources ye we ensase so no ye take charge ye take control and ownership of the land abani ni usam bio na se nanama se kamuti ndi kokoduro ba na se mo be kasa asem ya yen Ghana fo no ye ma de hye no ye ni se mo fight ma ye no mo fight for ye interest no mo fight se Ghana betu mpon no mo fight se masase be ye no we rally behind you better mochi it ma je Ghana the free politicians in them so politicians like catch them say de mo pese mo ye your own constitutional ye be catch them so munim santi no e no mo pese mo be ma kwan ye tima review constitution no because ye tima review constitution no na tumi kese na tima kodi ayenfo no nsam a Ghana e betu mpon ohini bia be hase say resources we want assess so no obey you to the advantage of the indigents obey make sure say assess betuma develop enti Ashanti region assess ye develop Bono region assess ye develop Western region assess ye develop no na Ghana as a country, no, Ghana in its own, no, and as a Ghana as a whole country, no, na Ghana no develop. Nti nananom ani die mu a. Nananom ani die mu a. Ya. Say ni we mo nsema mo kan no kure bi wo mo kakra. Say esese ye die ebufuhye no politicians ne so. Nsese ye die ebufuhye ne ba mo so. Because greater part of the national resources no e politicians na ehwe so. Mo kakra bi ne ba mo nchen. Nti kan fa ebufuhye no politicians ne so. Ba nananom die nti a ya dan ebufuhye na ye ja politicians na to ye de ba mo so no. Say ni sa politicians no. Ye kasa ma ye ni so mpo dane mo ja o mu ntie ye. Ye ni sa politicians no ye kasa ma de achi mpo o mu ntie ye. But mo nananom de ye ne mo na ti the same community. Muti ye how, muti amani ye ni abebele sase, muti ekom, muti sukom, muti amaninya aye nemu because ye nemu nyara ti the same community. Nti ye kasa mo beti ase. Na se mo muti ase, se mo wo association. A mo wo tumi, a mo na mo ye the custodians of the land nti no, mo kasa abani betie. Na aban no wa bafom abaye niam nti aye dede no, abaye sa niam na mayo. Abaye hyehye pa. A ebeboa. Etimde ahoto abrayen. Enu nti ena ye ni abra nananom yesana aba mo level a eni die mu ayesere mo se mo nsori na mo ne ye nyina ye nye baako na ye make sure say politicians na be ma Ghana tima woke ama Ghana ni bia tima nya hoto nti eni die mu nananom me se asema maka me see video ya mai a better internet so for thousands of years to come obi endeleti me se nananom ntima nsori as a viable alternative, as a viable option to MPP ni NDC. No montiman ji omon sase. And as a montiman you so mutumi no. Entiman from push for review of the constitution. Instead of a constitution, no, a best serve every Ghanaian interest here. Ama Ghana etimatumpoa. Ghana ye da. It's a constitution that the more MPP ni NDC koso bano mokono. Omwa na eye nhyehyɛ wɔ constitution mu ade omo ye nyina no eye de bɛboa mo as politicians nye de bɛboa Ghana asase no nye de bɛboa ye motherland nye de bɛboa nananom ti nananom ani die mu ankasa ti me ye mo de hye me ye mo nana a minyim nyansa nkyɛn mo a madwen eye limited eye kitikiti bi but me humble plea any suggestion am dey ba say ye pese ye kuro Ghana ti mu tumpon ye pese Ghana ti mu die nanso enkofo yesu from na ye tintin mu go maso so omonye Ghana ye no ye betima su 100 years to come omonye Ghana ye da isa so ma shada am make constitution ye possible a ebua mo ohutimu to omo ebua mo ohutimu nya yeyo epri yeyo e mo omo omo nsefo ene omo generations but emwa the ordinary Ghanaians nti ne Ghana the easiest way to become wealthy is to become a politician. The easiest way to make it in life is to become a politician in Ghana. A one hour you got bunch of confused people, you got bunch of illiterates, but because of so much more casa, Timothy radio, TV, so Casentino, and then or one or more CSA, or more shadow prime ministers in Ghana, I will be Timon Commerce, we are untouchable. Intimanum, and need him one casa. Need him one casa. MPP ni NDC, a diabo, Emma Ghana. MPP ni NDC, a diabo, Emma Ghana. Says I intimate ye said diabo, we envy Ghana soa. Ghana in Tumpon. Mark my words on the wall. Say diabo Ghana, MPP ni NDC partisan politics. What is seeking to promote and say, selfish interest in Kwani promote no. So you get rid of this MPP and NDC case now. Ghana as a nation, Ghana as a country, about land will never see development. Tinananum as a kuno ba a bobo musumuti subi. Nananum a yenemoti community nananum ni di mamon sole waka. Nananum mamun yedin. Munti ye bufuhye na se. Munti ye kasa tenten na se. Se ya no fom ya no pa mo fanche. Na munti nyansa ni ndie kakra wo ye kasa bebebenim. Na mon sole nananum na ye ntamochi. Na mon gye mon sase every politicians nsem. Esanse minimu se nanu nanadro mahine ba bonte no be kan se. Onimpa se domas to land no e rich with minerals. But sir percentage na nananum nya. After say you be 2 million self almost as say percentage na Ghana ban ye na dwen say or the concessions na be multinational companies so me tu no benya obe make sure say millions no e be ka na sas ma bra obi entimu ntu meaning say stance we no say nananum nyina chance ye say omu tiki stance we ya aban no obe think twice say nananum nyina chance ye say omu solo waka so omu be tiki stance we ya aban no be solo waka sense 2 million ankasa na nananum dia nanso nananom enim omu dibre enim omu bobere ntino ena ma akwada ketewa bi oya politician no onu timo kire na de na nanye ti na nani die ma yesrem mo nsole waka nananom mo na mo ye leader so twato nananom se mu disappoint ya Ghana bebo ebe say beyond repair obi ntimo nkora Ghana bio nti ani die mu a penifo say achia emu ye Ghana chia enankwa so ye kwakubu but enyam wuye no chese leader so wo mu kakra ti nananom mo mani embu ansa because ebu ayi ntimo kanse ani mo nsole waka na mo njinsa sin fi politicians ni nsem nananom amwo the western north amu nsase so na yetu oil nananom amwo the Ashanti region amu nsase so na gold no dodo na awo nananom amwo western part of the region na yetu gold wo yetu dam yetu bauxite wo nananom amwo bon region yetu minerals wo nsase so nananom amwo other regions ya mo nsase so na yedua koko mo nsase so na yenya resources de bia gwam aga na timutu mpon no mo nyina mo nye baako na mo fa one communicate mla bonten say yan soro wakase ebe ye Ghana yi a politicians na soro wakase o mema Ghana tima yi a mo de mo nsase na se mo soro sa yen ye beta mochi ama ma de mo nsase se na be ya Ghana bitima yi isan se Ghana pa ye nida so ya re chekere ene ya rehye mu nyina be koso ye MPP ni NDC a ene ye be da ni ye na ngwa bontene ye be wie bank kwa isan se MPP ni NDC entimo develop Ghana da omo ankasa ni mu se omo ntimo ye Ghana yi Omwankasa ni mu say die nti omani abro mpeso mutimo capture political power nyina yo mo selfish interest yo mo yire no mo manam yo mo extended family no mo nuclear family enye Ghana ye yontia omwankasa ya wo munim nti yenso ye hu no e be make sure say nana no mo be sorry na mo take mu positions in the community na mo asha say mo use power ye bestow to you no na mo gens ase no every politicians in them it's not politicians no be koso adi abro and then you china omunjai di omuni mu nyina na de omoye no omuni nkwan ya fa so develop oman di omuni mu nyina ya kwan ya fa so bo oman kro no di omuni mu nyina ya kwan ya fa so di oman abro ba kwan ya fa so mo oman timutumpo no politicians ni ti ani di manananom ye mo de share with the greatest of respect to you ani di mo munya kwan ya ti me message we ya mon sorry na youth me yenti mon tamochi na mon je mon saasi enfi politicians we na Ghana betima ye etima we kan obia onyankopon hira mu nyina nananam se mo de maso FM me Yankopon Ishra Ghana de she nyina Yankopon Ishra US Nkrata TV e wo YouTube ade she nyina Yankopon Ishra Kwame Ghana citizen be followers nyina na be friends nyina say anytime bia meba be live broadcast bia no timo join na wotini be share video no wo ba no share video no Yankopon Ishra mu nyina no hwe nyina so I will see you in my next video. Thank you.